9. So what does that make?
Yeah, I'm not sure what that. Yeah,
I don't make that either. All right, so let's take a look outside. We're seeing similar views play out all across North Georgia this morning. As very early on we started having reports of sleet, and it's something that begins to melt a little bit and refreeze. I just poked my head outdoors a few minutes ago. You could hear the sleet pellets mixing in with the snow, and if that cold air at the surface just gets shallower, this falls as rain and then freezes on Conyers.
Building. Hope you can see the flakes somewhat. You are looking at two cardinals sitting on my fence. Getting a mix of snow and sleet or frozen rain right now in the mix. But it's a picture perfect Friday morning. Enjoy the snow. tapering off just a bit. And I'll be lighting up that Christmas tree later. That's the only tree I did not take the lights off, so if I plug it in with the white snow, it might be just beautiful. We will see what happens later on. So at this moment there must be more than an inch of snow. And it's beautiful. The size of the flakes are humongous as it keeps coming. And here somebody's trying to drive. You better be careful. Why are you on the road? Can you go up that hill later? Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Some of the snowflakes are really large.
News. This is Good Day Atlanta at 9 a.m.
A winter storm warning is in effect in Metro Atlanta, bringing snow, sleet, and freezing rain. We have team coverage monitoring conditions for you. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Good Day Atlanta at 9. We're so happy that you're joining us on this Friday. I'm Elise.
And you know it must be a big deal if Elisa's letting me join her on the 9 o'clock show. Thank you, Elisa. I'm Uncle Aaron. It's a snowy Friday morning here in the metro area. As winter storm warning, it is in full effect. Georgia's currently under a state of emergency as several school districts and business, I would say most of them, are closed.
Or you could assume, right, that they're closed today. We saw several parts of Metro Atlanta already under several inches of snow this morning. It's causing some dangerous conditions on the roads in many, many areas.
And we have crews out all across Metro Atlanta staying on top of the latest on this winter storm warning. All Georgia's coming up in just a few minutes.
Reports in and around Brookhaven, Avondale Estates, but here you're seeing at least some 2-inch totals over Carroll County, higher amounts back into northeastern Alabama, and we're by no means finished here. We're going to add some more to the snowfall and then expect a changeover to a mix and maybe some freezing rain or more of an icy situation going into the afternoon. We're kind of seeing evidence of that here now to the south.
So now we are not getting snow, we are actually getting freezing rain. So this is like ice pellets. Looking over in Conyers, High Rock Road. Here comes one vehicle trying to get down the hill. Right in time, catching somebody here. Here he goes, trying to navigate the melting snow, which is going to be freezing momentarily, or over the next couple hours. Here comes another guy. Gotta step carefully here. Gonna be watching some cars here. There goes one. There goes the other. Trying to splash me. It's a winter wonderland. There are my footsteps going out, and there are my footsteps going back in the backyard. One careful step, one careful step, one careful step, and heading back. Little tree here surviving the snow. And it's a winter wonderland. So today, it's January 11th. You can look over the fence and look in my neighbor's backyard, and over in the bushes, everything is covered in snow.